Hi everyone. I hope you're able to get out and enjoy the weather this weekend. The parks were open again. It was, nice to get out myself and go for a hike with the family and whatnot. So I hope you're able to enjoy everything. Oh, so remember last week at the end on Thursday and Friday we started our new unit, decolonization. We're going to continue that study today with an assignment called Human Zoos and Decolonization. Uh, First couple of housekeeping things is you will be able to redo the mini units 12 and 13 reading check today from 8 to 12 on Schoology. Academic integrity expectation for all assignments unless stipulated otherwise by your teacher. The response must be in your own words, not cut and pasted, even when permitted to collaborate with others. Appropriate citations must be used for all information gathered from other sources for this assignment. The specific expectation are as follows: open resources. You can use, the reading check, but not other people. This is an individual assignment. As such, plagiarism includes having the same work as another student. So, what are we going to be doing today? Uh, all right, so title here to Human Zoos and Decolonization. You're going to click on this article here from NPR, and I have two options. You can either read it, or if you scroll down here in this box, you can listen to it. So hitting the play button will play the story as it goes through, so that you have two options there. All right, so what a question. So question one, define imperialism. Note that isn't directly in the article. It is review from earlier in the year. So, you go back, review the classroom to find that uh, definition. So two, compare and contrast how Belgians and the Congolese students learned about the Congo Free State. So another way to ask this question is, how did students in Belgium learn about what happened in Congo during imperialism, and what did students in the Congolese find out about what was happening in Congo during imperialism? So Congo Free State is, you know, the Congo imperialism in the 19th century. Uh, Question three: how did Zanda and Tabala describe what happened at the mock African village in at the 1958 World's Fair? So we have a historian here describing what happened in 1958 in this village. For according to the Belgian diplomat Renier Nijinks, pardon my pronunciation, what did Belgian ex-colonists say about their work? So this gentleman here will be talking about what this group of people, Belgians who used to work as colonial officials now in their 70s and 80s, say about what their work was like in the Congo. And lastly, at the end of the story, it talks about a new statue that was built. So make sure you listen to the story surrounding that. And the question is, what connections can you make with America and historical statues in the present? In the last couple of years, the role of statues in marking historical events and historical people have been, you know, greatly debated, hotly contested, and sometimes even people climbing them and tearing them down, and other individuals defending statues. So, that this is relevant, and that is all. As mentioned before, you can redo mini units 12 and 13, and if you have any questions, please email. That is all for now. Take care.